Now, by default, the YouTube channel links are a string of numbers and letters which are clearly difficult for any human to remember. It's for that simple reason that your default channel links or URL isn't the best type of link to present to your channel viewers. Instead, a custom channel link that ends with your channel name is the easiest to read and represent your channel properly. In this video, I'm going to walk you through how to create a custom URL link for your YouTube channel. Hi, I'm Winston the Solopreneur Warrior, and in this video, I'm going to walk you through the process of creating a channel custom URL link and some of the problems you might face when trying to create one for your channel. But before we get into all that, if this is your first time to this channel and you're interested in growing your channel, driving traffic to your videos while making money on the site as an affiliate marketer, make sure to hit that subscribe button and let's get started. Now, for a start, to be able to qualify for a custom URL link for your channel needs to have at least 100 subscribers or more. Your channel also needs to be at least 30 days old after the day it was created. And finally, your channel also needs to have a channel art uploaded and a profile picture. Now, usually when your channel reaches all these requirements set by YouTube, YouTube will then send you an email notification. In some cases, you also see a notification in your Creator Studio dashboard. Now, to check if your channel is eligible for a custom URL link, you can start by looking at your channel settings page under the eligibility feature right here. You can easily get to this page by clicking on the settings tab on your channel studio dashboard, and from the pop-up that appears, select the channel option and then the eligibility feature. Here you will see other default features like uploading videos on your channel and being able to build playlists. Below that, you see other features like uploading videos longer than 15 minutes, custom thumbnails, and so on. These features here need additional requirements like verifying with your phone number. So as you can see here, if you have all these features marked with a green check mark, that means your channel is enabled for a custom URL link. The question now is, how do you go about creating a custom URL link for your YouTube channel? Well, here are some steps you can follow to help you get set up. First, you want to start by clicking through to your channel settings page. Again, you can do that by simply clicking on the settings tab here on your channel studio page, which will of course bring you again to this same pop-up. This time, instead of clicking on the eligibility feature, you want to click on advanced settings instead. Then scroll down a little and click on the first link here that says manage your YouTube accounts. That will take you now to this page. Now on the left side here, you want to click on the advanced settings option and you'll finally be taken to the page where you can customize your channel URL link. Another short way to get to this page is by using the link youtube.com/account_advance. I'll also be dropping the link below this video. Now take note that if you are using this link to get to the page, you might be recommended to sign into your YouTube channel if you are not already signed in. Now as you can see on this page, it says this channel is eligible for a custom URL. Claim it here. Now when you click on the claim it here link, this pop-up will appear with suggested custom URL links that you can use for your channel. The first option is usually the current name of your YouTube channel, and the second option is the name of your channel with a suffix of your choosing. Basically any additional thing you add here to make your URL link unique. Now you might be forced to use a suffix because the channel URL link you want to claim has already been claimed by another YouTube creator. Personally, I would recommend you to choose the first option because you don't want to create a long link that your viewers or subscribers will not be able to remember. After choosing which of the links you would like to use, click and accept the custom URL terms of use after reading it, of course, by clicking on the terms link here and then on the blue change URL link below. Now, it should be noted that once your channel custom URL link has been approved, you cannot request to change it again. So make sure that this is the custom URL that you want before clicking on the confirm choice. Once you have created your custom channel URL link, your audience or your channel viewers can reach your channel by using the custom URL link, such as youtube.com/your custom name, which will take them directly to your channel homepage. It's also important to take note that you can remove a custom URL link from your channel up to 3 times a year. To claim a new custom URL link, you first need to delete your existing custom URL link. And once you remove a custom URL from a channel, the custom URL will be free to be claimed by another creator, because in general, a YouTube channel may only have one custom URL link. And that's it when it comes to this 60 seconds YouTube tip on how to create a custom URL link for your YouTube channel. And with that, I'll wrap up this video. I hope it was helpful. If so, hit the like button below, share on your preferred social site, and if you are interested in growing your channel, driving traffic to your videos while making money on the site as an affiliate marketer, again, make sure to hit that subscribe button so you don't miss another helpful video.